Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So before we even dive into my Walgreens haul today, I just want to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. 587 points for purchasing my Scott's paper towel today. Like, oh my god, that's an extra 58 cents back for me. This is a tremendous app, guys. It's really simple. Follow the link in the notes, use my referral code, and when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning, you're going to be given 2,000 points. For new signups only, and use my referral code. It's a really simple process. Even if you're going to go buy some groceries and stuff you don't have coupons for, if you photograph those receipts, chances are a couple items are part of their catalog. You'll get bonus points plus basket points for your purchase. It's just tremendous. So this morning, guys, I went to my discoveries page. Check this out. These Ozo plant-based protein links completely for free. So I would go to a store, buy them, and then get back whatever I pay in a full amount in points on my Fetch Rewards account. So between November and December, they offer a ton of different freebies. If you're looking to save money, especially for groceries, this is the app that you should be downloading and using on the daily. And if you are an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on 5 million receipts. So get busy this afternoon. Gift cards start around that $5 mark. You can get a Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, or even an Amazon gift card for $5, 5,000 points. So check out the link in the notes if you're interested, and don't forget to use my code. Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So Walgreens right here, one itty bitty snag, but everything went like really well. So like... But really great haul today. We have some money makers, some cheapies, some freebies, and of course I had to get myself the weekly fanciness, which is the gift of the week. This gorgeous Real Techniques brush set for $19.99. I flipped $20 in points and a little something for me. So like this was fantastic. We have a couple Meijer freebies and Meijer deals, and then Rite Aid we're going to talk about. These are some deals that I did on Saturday. I have not been out to Rite Aid today to do that 10 off of 40. Kind of a snowstorm here, or the start of a snowstorm, so I just really can't make it out there. Maybe when the snow clears tomorrow, I'll head out to Rite Aid. And just to show you the weather, it is supposed to be a dusting of about 5 inches in the next 24 hours. So the first really big snow, I tried to get Mr. Kimono to drive me, like especially if the roads are bad. And I was literally out at the stores today, and I just noticed it really started getting bad, so I had to cut my little shopping trip short. And the little cats are back at the barn when the weather gets this bad, so just in case you guys are worried. But thankfully this didn't happen yesterday. I know there were some trick-or-treaters out. We live super rural, so we don't get trick-or-treaters. Our trick-or-treaters are the little cats from the barn. Yeah, it was just kind of like a nice evening, and then this morning just the snow showed up. So, and it's supposed to be melting, and it's that usual dance up here in early November, but hopefully this doesn't stick around. The first store that we have is Walgreens, and we're from the Real Technique brushes right to the Downy. So, in the mail, I did receive this, and it's a whole bunch of like points boosters if I buy certain products, and this came in the mail, and it's right till the end of the year, so I don't think that the points are going to be completely taken away with the new My Walgreens program. I know that some people living in like Central Florida, My Walgreens is starting this week. Here I think it's going to start mid-month, but we will have subsequent tutorials and how to navigate the new My Walgreens program. Please don't fret about this, and if you have, you know, $100, $200 of points, don't worry about it, because they have to give you a window, I think, right up until the end of January to use or lose your points, but we'll go through all of the nitty-gritty probably sometime this week, and then next week as well when we have the new change here in Michigan. And you know, with change, we'll figure it out one way or the other. Lots of very smart ladies who do the Walgreens shopping, and gentlemen too, and we'll figure this out one way or the other. I think it's going to be a lot like the Rite Aid program. They're calling it Walgreens Cash, Bonus Cash, blah, blah, blah. Anyhow, that's for another video. Let's talk about some deals. So we're going to start off with the biggest money maker this week. And special shout out to Midnight Saver over on Instagram. She is fantastic. And this is her little deal. So the Poise, these little 18 count pads, they are 2 for $9 this week. We have a digital, which is a 5 off of 2. and it attaches to that beautifully. So you'll pay 4 out of pocket, or you could possibly use $4 of points, is your choice. And then you're gonna get back a $5 register reward, and you're also gonna get back $2 back each from IBOTTA, making this free, plus a $5 moneymaker. Freebie this week, and I was so delighted to finally get 2 cans of chicken broth, because I didn't get this a couple weeks ago. Somebody cleared out my store, so well done and congratulations on clearing out all the chicken broth. These guys are 2 for $1 this week. IBOTTA has $1 back when you buy 2 rebate, making it completely for free. If you wish to use points, go for it. But free chicken broth, I think, is the best kind of chicken broth. And with Thanksgiving in a couple of weeks, we're definitely going to use all this canned broth. Super duper deal is on the Oral-B. These guys are $4 each, so for 2 of them that's 8. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, so you would pay 5 out of pocket after that coupon, get back this $5 register reward, plus IBOTTA is giving back $1 back for each, so it makes it free plus a $2 money maker after everything is said and done. And this is where my snag happened, guys. That 3 off a 2 digital coupon did not come off, but the manager at the store, who's super uber cool, just put 3,000 points on my store card, because I don't want to call customer service and have to deal with that because they're so overwhelmed over there. So the store really helped me out, so I was really grateful for that. It was kind of like a little surprise for me. I picked up a Scott for $5 and the Kleenex for $5. So that's $10 altogether, guys. And I have the $1.25 IBC plus $1 digital coupons for both of these products that showed up this morning. $1 for Kleenex, $1 for Scott's paper towel, and the $1 for the Scott's toilet paper. Unfortunately, the store that I visit or frequent a lot, they have a limit of 2 paper products per visit, and I don't want to abuse that. So I just got these 2, and everything came off, guys. I ended up using 5,000 points, so I paid $1.10 out of pocket. And then guess what? Fetch Rewards gave me back 500 points for this purchase. For the paper towel, for whatever reason, like an extra 50 cents. So, I mean, it just ended up just being just a fantastic deal for me. And it just ended up just being just a fantastic deal for me, and to get these paper products for that cost, that is the magic this week over at Walgreens. So this is a fantastic little deal, which is the Real Techniques makeup kit. So every week leading right up to Christmas, they will have like a product that's say $20 and they'll reduce it down to 20, but it's only for that 1 week. So if you have something that you have your eye on, and these look like beautiful brushes, it's not the chintziness that was those orange Wet n Wild ones last year. That was just not it. But this for 20 bucks, use 20,000 points and pay the tax. Really great deal. The last thing that I grabbed was 4 of these laundry products by P&G. They're $2 a piece. So for 4 of them, that's $8 on the nose. I had a 50-cent digital for the Tide Simply Pods and a 50-cent coupon from the Retail Me Not of October the 4th. And then I also threw in a $7 register reward that I had from Revlon from last week. So I just paid the tax and I was okay with that. Found this little guy at checkout and it was 79 cents, like 50% off, and I thought, you know, to just throw it in my purse. It's cold and flu kind of season, somebody might need it, so I just thought I would just toss this in my purse for 79 cents. So I got back $7 from Ibotta for my different rebates. I also 50 cents from Fetch Rewards for the purchase of Scott, and I also think I got 30 cents for the purchase of these 2 Poise products. So this was just a super duper deal, and I absolutely love it. And if you can at least get out and get your chicken broth, if you might have that Ibotta rebate, along with these money making Poise, make it happen, guys. That's just a fire deal. So anyhow, loving Walgreens this week. Some great little deals. Okay guys, and sorry I didn't mention this earlier, Halloween is officially 50% off over at Walgreens on the 3rd, which is in a couple days. It's supposed to hit 70. And then on the 5th, it's going to hit 90. So by Friday, they probably are either going to be boxing stuff off to send to different, you know, people that buy store pallets, or they will probably donate it to like a Goodwill or something like that. So if you've had your eye on something, by the end of the week, you should probably go to Walgreens to look at the Halloween stuff. So over at Rite Aid, this is a monthly deal that I did yesterday. And I did not get to the store today because I just had so many little things on the go, and then with the snow it's just not possible. So these Glucerna bars, this is a monthly deal. Shout out to Mrs. Empty Nester. She showed this on her YouTube channel last week. Buying 2 of these on a gold discount, that's $7.98. And there's a 5 off of 2 from the Smart Source of October the 4th. I paid $2.98 out of pocket, got back $3 of bonus cash for each. So it made it free plus a $3.02 money maker. With Black Friday just around the corner as well, Rite Aid always has the greatest freebies. So you know what, guys? Even find some bonus cash. So this is a really great little money maker to build up your bonus cash. So loving this deal. And I found these right at checkout. You might want to look at your store. 75% off of the Dr. Bronner's hand soap. I think a lot of the Dr. Bronner's products just like vanished out of the store when it's 75% off. But I was able to get 2 of these and I just used some bonus cash. The original price is $10, so $2.49. That's a really great price point for Dr. Bronner's. That 10 off of 40, I will try and do it in the next couple of days. We're just in the eye of a really bad storm right now, so I just really can't get out to do any shopping. So I will hopefully figure out some deals later in the week over at Rite Aid. Here, this cremette pasta, this is a really fantastic deal. Shout out to Nerdy Birdie 99 over on Instagram. She showed me this deal a couple days ago and she's right on the money. So I grabbed 5 of them and they're all $1 each, 5 out of pocket. Ibotta is giving back a 50-cent rebate that you can do up to 5 times. So it drops these down to 50 cents per box. That's a really great price point. And I went with the Capivati. It's always a hard one to find in the store for like, especially for 50 cents. And then had some freebies that I could load to my store card. Now my husband's store card had both. My store card only had this one. So this was one of the freebies. It's the Off the Eaten Path. So it's just like Cheetos, but a healthier version. And I got a free bag. And then my card got the same one. And then I had another store card and it got absolutely nothing. So these are always your mileage may vary, but after the M perk, that's completely for free. And I think that's also part of the Fetch Rewards gallery. So I should photograph that receipt and see how many points I get. And then this was on my husband's store card. It is one of these Bear Republic. It's like a hand sanitizer. It looks super uber fancy. And this was $3.99 or $4.99, and I got it completely for free with an MPerk. And they also have a promotion of a buy one get one free on this product. So for fun, I grabbed 2 of them to see if the second one would ring up for free. It did not. So don't try any of that stupidity. It's not like the golden era of couponing where you could use a buy one get one free on you could use a free coupon with a BOGO free promotion and get 2 items for free. That's not happening anymore at Meijer. So I just got the 1 for free. Clearance find that I found, and it's some coarse ground pepper for $1.34, so 50% off, and I found 2 of them. Okay guys, and Meijer has a lot of their General Mills cereals, so Cheerios, that sort of stuff, for $1 each. Grabbing 2 of them, subtracting $1 off 2 MPerk or 1 from a recent insert, you would pay $1 out of pocket, and there's $1 back when you buy 2 on Saving Star, essentially making it for free. Sorry about the large rats downstairs, some construction going on. And somebody cleared everything out of my store, so even if I wanted to show you 1 single box, by 11 o'clock everything was gone, so not possible. If you could try and swing this deal, go for it if you might have the Saving Star rebate, but I did not have that kind of luck today. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, especially if it's snowing in your region, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.